friends, we are working with air dry clay today.
For the first time.
Yeah, we got one of these air dry clay boxes that's a dessert theme. And today we're gonna make one of the desserts, and it's the
Croissant.
Yeah. In the box, there's lots of kits.
Like the macarons,
Ice cream, donuts,
lollipop, cream-filled cake.
and they come with all the air dry clay you need with the colors that you need, so that it'll be easy for you to make your dessert out of air dry clay. And today we picked the croissant one.
Yeah.
Cool. So should we get started?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's move this aside. And what's cool about this one is that it came with these little tools that we can use too. So all you need is air dry clay or even Play-Doh if you have it. Some tools that come with the Play-Doh or the clay if you have it. If not, that's okay too. And
Let's start.
awesome. The first you need yellow clay. And today we're gonna have it Christmassy, so we're using yellow for the croissant, and then red and green for the decorations, and then white for the icing. Okay? And the thing about these air dry clays is you gotta massage it out a little bit. So thanks, Mia. So you just kind of stretch it out a little, and then you kind of mold it, squish it, and stretch it out a few times.
And once you're done with the squishing and stretching, you have to roll it into a ball as the first step.
That's right. Okay, so let's roll it. And again, you don't have to have air dry clay. You just need some sort of clay like Play-Doh or regular clay, anything that you have around the house. Or if you go to the descriptions below, we'll have a link on how to get these air dry clays that we have too. We're gonna roll it out into a flat piece. So let's smush it a little bit. Be gentle with it so you're not smushing it too much, otherwise it'll stick. Take a tool, like a knife tool, but these are not real, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna make a triangle. So just cut a diagonal line in your dough and another diagonal line, and it's gonna be a long triangle. And then cut the bottom. Okay, now we're left with this slim triangle. Just means it's long and narrow. And it doesn't have to be perfect either, because we're just gonna roll it all up. Okay, you ready? And then if you have air dry clay like us, make sure it's in the sealed container so that it doesn't dry out. And then once you have your triangle piece, make sure it's facing up. The pointy bit is facing up, the longest point. And then we're gonna grab the wide part on the bottom, and we're just gonna start rolling it. And then you have this croissant shape.
The next step is we have to take this white out.
And we're gonna do a little bit of frosting on our little tiny croissant.
Okay, so let's
Oh, and Mia, don't forget to make it a little bit bendy on one side. It's kind of like a crescent moon shape, just to make it a little bit more croissant-y. Yeah. Okay.
let's cut this in half because we both need frosting.
Okay. Okay, and remember, we're gonna give it a little bit more massaging. And for the frosting, you're just making a long strip, right? Round strip. So what we do is we just kind of use our palms and we kind of roll it out. Okay, and then what you do is you kind of make it go into this zigzaggy pattern. Okay, so we're done with the icing. Now let's do the leaves. And then be careful, art along friends. The air dry clay, once you get it stuck on another piece of air dry clay that's another color, it's really hard to get off. Right? Okay, so for me, I want to use this tool that it came with to make a leaf.
I'm just doing little dots here and there.
Yeah, it's up to you how you want to decorate your croissant, right? And then I need the red now.
Okay.
I'm going to make some berries. Just a couple. Just gonna take the red clay and roll it up. Just like that. Okay, I'm done too. Are you done?
I'm just working on something.
Okay, let me clean up our station a little. So what do you think about this clay, what is this? Sia JM air dry clay? What do you think about this?
I like it.
Yeah, I like that it gives you different ideas, right? And then you can make it your own. I like the clay containers and the colors that it gives you. The only thing is some of the clay is a little bit dry, right? Okay, Mia, you wanna show your croissant first?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we made the croissant and we can wait for these guys to dry a little bit and then it'll just kind of stay this way. And we can use it as a decoration or toy for your dolls and things, right? And the best thing about this clay is you can make more things out of it, like more croissants, or you wanna show what we did?
Accessories for our Lego minifigures.
Yeah. So this is Ollie, and we actually made him a cape out of air dry clay.
And headphones.
And headphones.
And a crown.
Oh yes, here's the crown.
Which I stole 3 of your crowns.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's super fun to make.
This is my Lego minifigure. We made a cape for her, and there are shoulder pads on her cape.
Yeah.
And we made a crown for her.
Yeah, this part I think was our favorite. With all the extra clay that we have, we can use it for whatever other thing we want to make. Right? And be creative.
Yep.
Yeah. So hope you all had fun making air dry clay croissants with us. And we hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See ya.
Bye.